What if the greatest threat to humanity is not war, not disease, but becoming irrelevant? What if one day the world no longer needs you, not because you failed, but because something else does everything better? So here is the question. Can humans become useless? For most of history, humans had value because we were needed. We worked. We decided. We created meaning. But that foundation is beginning to collapse. Intelligence is no longer contained within humans. It is moving outward into systems that learn faster, decide better, and optimize beyond us. And as this happens, value begins to shift away from humans toward systems. Yuval Noah Harari describes this as the rise of the useless class. Not people without ability, but people the system no longer needs. When machines diagnose better than doctors, drive better than drivers, and create faster than creators, humans are not just replaced, they are removed from the standard of value itself. For the first time in history, being human may no longer be an advantage. So how should we live? The answer is simple and uncomfortable. Stop trying to prove your worth through usefulness. Usefulness will always be replaced by something faster, something smarter. Instead, change the standard. Do not aim to be needed. Aim to be irreplaceable in absence. Develop the ability to think, to create meaning, to build relationships. These are not competitions. They are accumulations. And what is deeply accumulated is not easily replaced. The question of the future is this. It is no longer, how useful are you? If you disappeared, would anything change?